In this video, we explore the reasons behind iCloud photos not loading on iPhone, Mac, or PC, providing practical solutions to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Part 2. How to fix iCloud photos not loading. Fix 1. Check your settings. Check iCloud photo settings. Open Settings, sign in with the correct Apple ID, and go to iCloud Photos. Confirm, sync this iPhone is on. Fix 2. Check network connection. Navigate to Settings and access the Wi-Fi section. Identify a fast network with a robust signal, and connect by entering the password. Fix 3. Ensure to log in with the same Apple ID. When linking your device to iCloud, ensure the correct Apple ID is added. In Settings, tap your username, go to Apple ID, and verify to prevent iCloud photo loading issues. Fix 4. Check iCloud storage. Open your device's settings. Tap on your name and choose iCloud. Within iCloud on your iPhone, observe the storage bar located at the top. Verify the available storage to ensure a seamless photo syncing experience. Fix 5. Enable iCloud Photo Library again. In Settings, go to your name iCloud Photos iOS 10.3 or later or iCloud Photos iOS 10.2 and earlier. Turn off and on iCloud Photo Library. If the issue persists, enable My Photo Stream. Fix 6. Disable Low Power Mode. Navigate to Settings, scroll down and locate Battery. Upon accessing the page, disable Low Power Mode. Fix 7. Restart your devices. Press and hold the side button or volume up button until the shutdown menu appears. Slide the power off button on the shutdown menu. Subsequently, hold the side button to reboot your Apple device. Part 3. An ultimate solution to iCloud not downloading photos. Encountering syncing issues when attempting to load photos from iPhone to PC through iCloud is not uncommon. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Win and Mac provides a seamless solution for resolving these syncing challenges. Install Mobikin Assistant for iOS, connect your iPhone, and select Photos, preview and choose Photos. Then click Export to transfer them to your PC. Open the destination folder on your PC to view the transferred photos.